Hello, welcome viewers to the Technical MA YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube banner in Pixellab app. Okay, so as you can see, this is our previous design and we will change this design as a YouTube banner. So first of all, we need to reduce the size of this design, but we don't have any judgment. We can't judge the size. So first of all, we need to set the ratio of the size, which is YouTube banner, and you can also write manually 25 60 14 oh sorry 25 40 16 50. I think this is perfect ratio, otherwise you can select here, and this is perfect. Oh, I mistaken. So set here, and next step is that click here. This is your guide. Click here and select this line. Click on setting and select this line a little bit up, and this one. Okay, this is perfect combination for your design. So click here and drag here and drag here. This center line, you can remove the center line. Okay, so or you can drag. Okay, I removed center line, and this is perfect combination. Now click here and click here. Ignore the lines. Okay, how to become a graphic designer? Right here, and here you can add your logo and whatever you want to add it. And this place is empty, so what is in your mind, what you want to fill on this area? I will add another photo, which is this. Okay, this is a perfect photo for adding. So I'm gonna add this photo in a little size by clicking here. So it's perfectly added, and now you can remove your size, or if you want to add something, I want to add shape. Okay, so this is a rectangle. I want to only reactive UR. So this shape I think is perfect. It's okay, and I want to fill the gradient, which is we have recently used, and I want to change the size and position, this and this. Okay, and I want to add one more in the center, and I want to change size. I want to add this one, and this is sorry, this a little bit. Okay, this is perfect combination, and hit it. Okay, and now click on your layer and drag it in the bottom. So this is our perfect design. What do you think about this design? It's good or not? Let me know in the comment section below. For more videos like this, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you.